everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to zoom in using mobile device. In order to zoom in on Adobe Express, first of all open up your Adobe Express application and open up your existing project. After you open up a project and on your timeline, you see this kind of a project preview. In order to zoom in, simply go ahead and try pinching with your fingers and expanding your fingers on the screen, and you will be able to zoom into your content. If you want to zoom out, you just want to release your finger closer towards each other. This gesture will work for zooming in and out on images or the overall designs. So that is the only way you will be able to zoom in on Adobe Express. I hope the tutorial was informational to you. If it was, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.